noticed that a father was asking his son some mathematical questions. And very keenly he observed, the father asked the son, "What is 4 multiplied by 5? And the son hesitated a little and he told, "Dad, 18. And this man thought now the father is going to get really angry and he's going to slap the boy for not giving the right answer. Such a simple question. But to his very big surprise, the father took out a chocolate and gave it to the boy. He told, "Well done, son, well done." This man was a little surprised. He went close to the father and he told, "I know 4 times multiplied by 5. Even though I'm a postmaster, I know it's 20. And this boy said 18, and even then you gave him the chocolate. What's the whole secret behind this?" The man, the father looked at me and said, don't discourage this boy. We are celebrating the small successes. Last week he was 12, yesterday was 15, today he is improved to 18. Soon he will reach 20. It's very necessary to celebrate the small successes in life. In fact, if you all know that the inventor of the mobile phone, anybody knows who the inventor of the mobile phone was? The inventor of the mobile phone was a very senior scientist from Motorola called Dr. Martin Cooper. And when Martin Cooper was asked that, "How did you come across such a revolutionary invention?" he said, there was a policy in Motorola to celebrate the small successes. Every time we went through this wireless telephoning, we celebrated. When we discovered that radio signals could be sent, that there was a GPRS possible, we celebrated that. When we got the first instrument, we celebrated that. When we set up the first tower, we celebrated that. Everything was a success which was celebrated, and that spurred us on and on and on. And today, if we have the entire world depending on the mobile network, it is because Motorola and Dr. Martin Cooper celebrated those small successes. And in fact, there is a big science behind celebrating small successes. Every one of us has a conscious mind and a subconscious mind. But the subconscious mind, which is very powerful, which makes us grow our nails, our hair, which makes our heart beat, is nearly 7/8 of our total mind. And the subconscious mind cannot distinguish between positive and negative emotions. It can only distinguish between shallow and deep emotions. So if you're feeling deeply about something, you're feeling deeply unhappy, be sure the subconscious mind thinks that you want it, and it will have that same thing repeated again and again. You're being ditched by somebody, you're feeling bad about it, and you cry and you tell everybody else, be sure that there will be somebody else who's also going to dump you, because that is the nature of the subconscious mind. So from time immemorial, especially in our country, there has been a great tendency to celebrate every small religion, every small celebration, every small festival, whether it's Nagpanchami, whether it's Diwali, whether it's Holi. We have a plethora of festivals which is based on a deep psychological principle. The more you celebrate, the subconscious mind identifies those deep emotions and it gives you more reason to celebrate again and again. With that simple formula, that when you celebrate the small successes, you get to celebrate it again and again. Our entire plethora of cultures have encouraged celebration. And one such person whom we want to celebrate this time in our club is our existing VPPR and our president-elect, a dynamic HR professional who has his own company, a person who has taken this club to new heights when he was the secretary by revolutionizing the way in which minutes were taken. He's done a fantastic job with the VPPR by releasing the monthly newsletter, and we're also starting the Gold Buckets Challenge. The one and only Master of Ceremonies for today, Prakash Francis.